LB75 backhoe. This thing starts well, it runs well. I mean, it's an older or a high hour machine. It's got new tires front and rear on it. The bucket in the front's in good shape. It seems to operate everything except the brakes. The brakes are weak on it. The right side has some, left side's pretty weak. I don't think it has any leaks on it. And the panel on the other side, which I hope he shows us here then, is cracked up, but it's not bad for an older machine. Back window is there, it's just hanging up. You guys have pulled it up. Hopefully he picks that loader up. I'll show you this other side panel. That's probably the worst part about it. You see that side panel right there? That's where it's cracked. There you go, guys. New Holland 75, 100 horsepower backhoe.